About 3 weeks after I moved in, I'm finally giving you guys an updated apartment tour. So we're gonna start outside. Entrance, it's kind of a gloomy day today. This is our private entrance. There's always deer hanging out right over here, and it's really fun to see them because I'm from Southern California and they weren't where I lived. This is a plant my grandmother sent me. We're gonna bring it inside once the Christmas tree is gone. This is another little plant we just got to hide the key under before I moved in. So yeah, this is our front porch. There's my car. So it's like not the most organized because there's cat toys everywhere, because we have 2 cats and they are impossible to keep their toys organized. So this is where we have our tree. And we have this big window out front, and when it's not a gloomy day, it's really pretty. And then we have our couch and a glass coffee table here and another little one over there. We have this chair and this rug. And like I said, it looks super messy because all of the cat toys. Here's cat number 1 and here's cat number 2. So we have this cute fireplace. I put a bunch of like Christmas stuff up here. It's kind of random, but I just threw that up there, a bunch of stuff I got from Target. And then right next to it, we have our TV stand, also pretty unorganized because we have all these cords and cables. And then the Xbox and a box with like the Xbox controller and stuff. View from like right when you walk in. For when the cats try to get in the tree. And then we have this cat scratcher post over here and our table and chairs. And then a few little decorations that I hung up. And then we still have like some kitchen stuff that needs to be unpacked. That's the one thing I don't like about this apartment is there's like no kitchen storage. This is my meal prep stuff that I just have here because I'm gonna make it tonight. I have these flowers and some dishes I need to put away. Like I said, it's not completely organized, but. And then we have our stove, microwave, fridge, and this is our alcohol corner. We also have here back some like flour, sugar, rice. And then this is where a laundry machine and like dryer would normally go, but because there's laundry facilities here, we just use those. Maybe we'll buy a washer and dryer eventually. And then I have just like cleaning supplies, some extra water, some random like pantry type stuff up there, and then like a toolkit, cooler, and the Wi-Fi router stuff. This is the view from here. So over here, there is a bathroom and then 2 bedrooms. And this one is my roommate's, but she's sleeping in here temporarily because we have a futon in there. So that will be the guest bedroom. And she hasn't gotten all of her stuff moved in yet. So this is her room. And then the bathroom right there. And then this is a linen closet. And then to the right is my room. I have it mostly set up. So I have over here just like a storage thing where I have like underwear and bras and all that stuff, and then just some books, my jewelry, and more books. Then I have this, which was my like second screen when I had online school. I'm not really sure what to do with it yet. I could use it as like a little mini TV for my room. Haven't done that yet. This is just stuff I throw in here when I come home. And I got some Febreze and stuff because this is the cat corner and sometimes I need to Febreze it up over there. I got these really cute decorations from Amazon. And let me try to turn it on. I tried to make it like as homey as possible in here. So these are 2 maps and you like scratch off all the places you've been to. So I've been to most of the southern states. I need to scratch off Mississippi and up there. And then here I've been to Spain, Belgium, France, and Italy, and then places in Central America, Haiti, Canada, the US, Mexico, all that. Looking straight ahead, I hung up some pictures of friends and family. And then some people hate this, but I hung up these vines and lights. I like them. Some people, they say look ridiculous, but I like it. This is my bed. The cats love to sit on the windowsill. She is a kitten and she goes crazy. He's an older cat, so he is somewhat sane. So I have a problem here. I have like cold air kind of like leaking in through here. I don't know if the window doesn't close all the way. I can call maintenance, but I just stuck a towel here temporarily to try to block out the cold air. So this is my view outside. And then I have a little side table over here with my backpack and a bag of snacks. Probably shouldn't keep those next to my bed, but it's fine. Here's a little rug. This is my closet. I have my laundry hanging up along with some winter stuff. And then all my clothes, all my shoes, and pants and stuff. And then up there I have like sheets and tank tops and some extra clothes that is pretty messy. And then up there I have a suitcase and purse and stuff like that. There was literally no storage in here either, so I got two things of storage. I got this one, and I have at the bottom, what is that? That's miscellaneous, kind of like tanning lotion or random stuff like that. And then this is contacts. This is hair stuff like flat iron, blow dryer. And then this is hair products like hairspray and stuff. And then here's the mirror. Like, it's not very organized, but it will do. Then I got this other one, and the only thing I swear is organized in this whole place is my makeup. My makeup is very organized here. I got it in all of its places. This is a box of all things medicine. I don't even try to organize it because every time I go through it, it ends up getting messed up again. Nail polish, and stuff like that. And then this is the shower. Looking back out, I forgot to show you. There's a little closet outside my room, and I use that for coats and my suitcases and the cat carrier and some board games. Just, I don't know what you call them, bar stools, tall chairs that I got for the counter right here for some extra seating. That's pretty much it. It's cute when it's organized, but like I said, we have cats and it's basically like having children. You can't really keep anything organized because they get into everything. I like it a lot, and I like our neighborhood. Like I said, there's like deer running around. Yeah, I like our neighborhood. We're really close to like everything, which is good because everything is literally like a mile, like within a mile, but it's also bad because there's also so much traffic on like the main road. And yeah, I think that's it. Trying to see. It's pretty small, but we have 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms. It's nice I have my own bathroom. I pay like a little bit more for the master. There's, like I said, laundry facilities on site. There's a pool, there's a gym, there's a playground, there's a dog park, there's like walking trails. What else? Yeah, that's basically my apartment tour. We're gonna put something up here because it's pretty like bland right now. But otherwise, and maybe something up there, not sure. Yeah, this is a pretty like honest tour. I didn't really try to make it look like super fancy or anything. I didn't like clean up for this. So thanks for watching. I am going to make myself some food, and then I start working on January 11th, and it's currently December 14th. I don't really know what the date is. The weeks and days just go by, and I don't really have much to do, which I actually really like. Someone was suggesting that I like email them and say, oh, I can start working early, but it's kind of nice. Like, I'm graduated and now I just get a month to do nothing. And I know in a month I'm going to be like, wow, that was nice. I wish I could have more of that time, even if I might be a little bored right now. So yeah, thanks so much for watching.